What's up, YouTube? We are back again with another unboxing and review of something very special for you guys today. First things first, pull up on us every day, 12 to 8, 147 Grand Street, Brooklyn, New York, 11249. Buy, sell, trade every single day. Pull up on us, we always got something for you. Now let's get back to this unboxing. So as you can see, we got a new pair of Nike SBs here. Size 11. And let's get to it. In hand, we have the holiday special Sean Clivers, guys. For those of you that don't have this pair in hand yet, I recommend you go try and get one. The materials on these are very, very different. Very, very nice. Kind of something you have to have in your hand to see and believe. I want to start off first by showing you guys the blue suede all over the shoe. It's very, 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 very nice quality. Very nice material. Almost like it's frayed a little bit, but it's still so soft. Very, very soft. It's a good material. The color works well with the shoes. The light blue with the gold. You got silver and of course your icy blue sole on the bottom. Aside from the nice suede that we have a toe box here with the snowflake in the middle. Toe box leather is really nice. The snowflake, I think, gives it a nice different touch for your SBs. The gold check, very nice. Goes around to the whole other side of the shoe, obviously. Behind your check, you have some nice white tumbled leather. Good quality. I want to talk about the laces because I feel like these laces, kind of like wire coils, kind of like what you can compare it to. It's got like this distorted look. Other than this pair though, it comes with the gold laces, white laces. So you got 3 different laces here. It's a good shoe, guys. Also, kind of like what with the Strangelove back by Valentine's Day, your sock liner is very, very nice and soft, just like the Strangelove. It's a beautiful pair to pick up. I recommend everybody to try to get their hands on a pair. You got Sean Cliver on the aglet there. It's definitely a beautiful pair. Something I wanted to also show you guys, Sean Cliver is pretty good when it comes to the artwork. Just wanted to show you guys the special sole, A lot of detail there. It's a dope one, guys. This is a dope pair. So yeah, I recommend all you guys to go on your hunt and find your pair, because this is not one you want to miss. Just look at the icy sole. That glitter pops. So I'm gonna give you guys a little in-depth, detailed look, some close-ups. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope everybody goes out and grabs their pair, or pull up to the Sole Broker and let's see if we got one for you. Appreciate you guys. Happy holidays. Have a good night.